works. This is the safest and officially recommended way to reset your DVR password.
On the login screen, click on the Forgot Password option. A QR code will appear on your screen. This contains your DVR's encrypted reset information.
Scan the QR code using your mobile phone.
If QR is not available, export the reset file to a USB drive. This file is usually in XML format. Send the QR code or XML file to official support for password reset. You will receive a reset code or file from support. Import the file or enter the reset code, then create a new password. Your DVR is now unlocked using the official and secure method.
If this helped you, like and subscribe for more DVR password reset tutorials.
If your DVR is locked and you forgot the password, don't panic. Try this first simple method.
Most DVR systems still have default login credentials set by the manufacturer or installer.
First, enter username as admin.
In many cases, one of these default passwords will unlock your system instantly.
Once logged in, go to the main menu and open System Settings.
Now go to Account Settings and select Change Password.
If this method helped you unlock your DVR, like the video and subscribe for more security system tutorials.